Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about the wealth inequality machine, which is what I consider modern day capitalism. And we're going to discuss how civilization architecture can solve this wealth inequality in our world. We begin by examining how most people live their lives. So 99% of the world goes to a full-time job, which pays them money, and that person uses that pay to pay the bills. And if there's leftover money, they will save for retirement. And this person will work at a full-time job until they can retire, and then they will use the money in their retirement to retire. So this is most people, and most people within this range are spending between $1 a day to $1,000 a day, and this makes up 99% of the world. The top 1% of the world has the luxury of wealth. So either through inherited wealth or through saving up money from their work, they have enough money to invest and pay their bills purely off the profit of those investments. As a result, this person's life does not require any work, and they can enjoy their life as a retired person by living off their investments. Then there's the 0.01% of the world. These people have a wealth in the billions, and these people have enough money to put into investments that give them profit for them to pay the bills, and they have so much money that they can also put their money into high-risk, high-return investments, which can create extreme generational wealth, because the higher the risk, the higher the return. And as a result, this perpetuates the wealth disparity between the normal working class, which lives paycheck to paycheck until they're retired, from the extremely wealthy, which never has to work, can be retired and pay all their bills purely off investments, and continue to get even more wealthy by investing in extremely high-risk, high-return investments. I feel like much of the financial advice on the internet today, what with the financial intelligence, retire early, wealth management advice, financial advising, 401ks, all of this helps to transition people from the 99% into the 1%. They want to help someone without wealth and living paycheck to paycheck and putting some money into savings and converting that savings and retirement into wealth so that this person can retire and then use that wealth to put into investments to generate profit to pay the bills. So I'll move my head over here so you can see that they can achieve retirement by having wealth. However, what this fails to address, what a lot of the resources currently available fail to address, is how do you transition from the 1% to the 0.01%? If you already have $10 million, how do you become a multi-billionaire? And it's this huge, there's a gap between the 10 million to the billions that is important to address. There's some wealth inequality even within the wealthy, but this is not a problem that I'm focused on because, again, there are actually a lot of resources. You go to business school, you go to a lot of guides online, you can find out and study the billionaires of the world to see how you create businesses to generate the billions of dollars. But what I want to do with civilization architecture is to help the 99% of the world achieve the wealth of the 0.01% of the world. I want to make the 0.1% of the world accessible to the 99% of the world. And the way that civilization architecture can do this is by creating a fund where the person can go to their full-time job. So you see the person's life, they go work their full-time job, they get paid, then they can pay their bills with that full-time job. They can put money into savings in retirement, and they continue to work until retirement. But I want to create this extra civilization architecture fund, which will serve as the wealth fund for society. And we can use this wealth fund for society to make high-risk, high-return investments to create extreme society wealth that is shared among the people. And this enables a normal working-class citizen to participate in the unique high-risk, high-return investment opportunities that are currently only available to billionaires to create extreme generational wealth. How do we do this? Well, this is what I want to build. So let me put myself in the middle. So here, I want an organization which allows 8 billion people on Earth to provide $1 per month per person to civilization architecture. $1 per month comes out to about $10 per year. So at 8 billion people, this means $80 billion a year in profits will be coming into civilization architecture. And this money can then be channeled into diversified investments similar to the investments that are paying for the bills of the wealthy. And then the profits from those diversified investments can be channeled into businesses to pay for social services for those 8 billion people. This way, we create a society-level dividend that can provide social services for everyone involved. This will allow us to privatize and control, take into our own hands the society's retirement plan and social services and profits. It will allow society to create generational societal wealth through this organization. Thank you.